to see one of our program in VB.NET in which we are performing or use label, text box control and three command buttons. First, to display the good message in first text box, bad message in second text box, and third buttons used for the exit from this particular program. And for that, you can see here we are going to use different toolbox uh, panel in which button, then we are going to use label, then we are going to use text box also, and by using these we are performing our today's program. So first of all, we have to open our program by using file and new init. Then first of all, project we have to open, new project we are going to use for our programming. This is the new project window. In this particular window, we are going to use Windows Forms application. By clicking on this Windows Form application, our Windows new application will be get applied over there, and by default here you can see Windows application 4 will be named for this project. So I must change it into good message and add message. I have represented this name without giving any space in it. And according to this, I am going to now create this particular window. For that, I am using it, or I must say program 1 project of this name. So here you will see in this particular case form1.vb design. This particular form is represented over here. We will increase it as per our need for it, and from the toolbox we are going to add here first of all a label in on this particular form. In this first label we can see first of all form 1 is one of my working area, and its property window you can see. In this property window, form 1 is represented over here. If I have to change its name, then the text property, I must go in the property of that form. First of all, we have to check that our form must be get selected, and after that we will check in properties window there must become form 1, and in this form 1 we can see form 1 name I have to change over here. This is my program 1, so I must represent here program 1 and good and bad message. So I must enter it. So you can see in its title bar of form, the program 1 good and bad message will be get changed. According to same, when I will select over here label 1, the label 1's property window will be appear over here. In this label 1, I have to again change its text. For that, I must go to the text property of that label 1, and I will change here, and I must represent over there Shankarlal Khandelwal College, Ola. So you can see same way the labels text must be get changed. I must put as per my requirement. Then I must go to the back color property of that particular label. I will select from here custom color, and I will change its background color of that label. Same way border style if we require it to give, then you can fixed single, or you can change it into 3D also, fixed 3D also you can do that. Then font, in font property I must go, I will change my font property, and bold with oblique I will select over here, and font type, which type, whatever you like, you can represent it for that particular title of our college name. So according to that, I must select here one of the type, and the size of the font I must change from here, and I must select here size of my text as 28. So as according to this, if this size is really very big, so we can decrease it also by selecting again it and reduce this size to 24. So here you will see the label must be get changed. Its text will be appear over here. Its background color is changed, and according to that we have selected the size of the text, and as well as the text type also we have changed over here. So all of these properties I must be done modified by using the label 1 properties window, and all of these properties will be appear in this property window, and according to this there are lots of properties are available over here, and you can change the forecolor also, but I must keep here same color. Then I will use here next label for my good message. Its by default name will be label 2. I must keep over here. I must change its text like good message. Then I will change its background color in custom color. I must change its background color to pink. Then font, I must select over here font size. I will select here font size as a 18. Then bold and OK. So you will see here good message label must be get appeared. Same way, if I require for the bad message, I must copy it and paste it by Control V. Same size with all the modifications of my properties. I will got another label box over here. Only I have to change the text of that particular label as a bad. Its bad message will be appeared over there. You can adjust this particular case over here properly. Then for to display the good message, I will use here now text box. I will take it over here in front of good message. This text box will be keep like that on a proper length. I must change its font size. Here I will select its font size as an 18 with bold. Same another box I must require, so I must do copy by Control C and paste by Control V. Same size with all the changes in properties. I got another text box over here. Then we have to apply button, perform our task. This is my first button. I must use this button for the display of good message. So I must change its text as a good message. Enter over there. Then I will modify the size of that font also to 14 with bold property style. You can see here good will be appeared over there, good message will be appeared over here, and by using back color we can change its background color also as per we require. Same size of that button I require for the bad message. I must do control C for the copy and control V for the bad message. I must keep that over here. Only I have to change the text property of this command button. At the place of good, I have to write over there bad message and enter it. After that, same size third button I require for my exit. So control C and control V I must do over here, and same size third button I must be got over here with all the changes in the property. Only I have to modify it with the exit. Now remember here E X I T. I have wrote this exit in the text property of that third button, button 3. Now we will do one change over here. I must add in exit one additional symbol for the X letter. Ampersand I will add over here. You will see the modification that under this X one underscore will be appear, and this underscore means the accelerator. This ampersand is work as an accelerator. This accelerator key is used for the particularly shortcut key as a shortcut of that particular button. At the place of using mouse, we can represent alt key with the X and perform our that button's job also. And for that ampersand we have added, and whereas ampersand is one of the accelerator for it. Now remember, if we have to run it, we have to go to the start button over here. You can see by clicking on it, our application will be get run over here. But here only the blinking will be seen. Same way bad message. After clicking on bad message or good message or exit, there will not happen any action or event. So I am performing event of click through my mouse, and to perform it I have to do some coding in this command buttons. And for that the coding for the good message, or first of all we will click over here in button 1, double click on it, you will see the coding window. In this coding window, since our VB.NET is one of the object oriented programming language, so here class form 1 for the form 1 class, here private sub button 1, here button 1 is my object name, whereas click is my event. On that click event I have to perform some action or some operation, and for that I require to show in my design view. You can see good message. If I have to say that good message in this particular box, you can see its name is text box 1. For to locate the message in another box, it's text box 2. And for that, on good message I must be represent over here like this, text box 1. Here you can see this particular text box 1 will be appear, and we can capture it by using tab button. In that particular text box 1's dot text property, I require the text. In that text box 1's text property, I have to represent one of the good message, so that I will assign here equal sign assignment operator. Then in double quotes, have a nice day. This good message I have represented in double quotation mark. So after performing it, we will run it. We will see what will happen. Here after click is my event, and event means one of the operation or action which we perform. So that you will see after clicking on this good message button, command button, you will see the same message will be appear in my text box 1. Now same way I require another message in bad message text box, and for that we have to perform our coding for it, and for that I must go to the design view of my form 1. On after clicking on bad message button, here I require text box 2. Text box 2 is my object name. For that acquiring of it, you have to click on the tab button, then dot, because VB.NET is an object oriented programming language and its text property we require. Hence, we are acquiring here text property. If such type of pop-up window is not appeared, then you can say there is having any problem in it. And here in double quotes, I must represent one bad message, have bad day. And in this way, I have represented here again in double quotations one message. So we will see again by running our program. At the time of clicking on good message command button, have a nice day. This particular message will be appear in the first text box. At the time of clicking on bad message, you will see over here, have a bad day. This particular bad message will be appear in the next second text box, and on my third button I require now to end it, to exit it, and for that we will apply now the coding on in it. Double click on exit button, and here we have to give only end. We will recommend over here only end, so that after clicking you can see again. I will run this program over here. You can see in the title bar program 1 good and bad message is appeared. Then college name, good message, for that good message click event I am performing. Same way bad message I have clicked on it. Click is my event again over here, and to exit from it, exit, our program will be get ended over there. I don't require to go on the close button now. So in this way, this is our simplest program, first program in which we have used in designing. We have performed three labels, two text box, three command buttons, and we have designed it. In this way, this is our first program. Now in my next video, you will see how we have to copy it for our practical purpose. And in my after that next video, I will merge these two text box into a single text box. And in that single text box only, one more additional button I will apply here, and then we will modify it in that way. So thank you for listening me, and thank you so much.